Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Angelica Fitzgerald and good morning, at least from this side of the camera. I just woke up over here, literally just splashed some water on my face to get the morning sleepies off, but I wanted to hop on like first thing in the morning because of what I will be showing y'all how to do in today's video. Now, if you look at the timestamp, I'm sure it's probably a very short video. So this is going to be a really simple how to fluff up your hair, how to fix your hair using dry shampoo, using a couple of little texturizing sprays, volumizing sprays to get really beautiful hair starting from point A, which is nothing happening. There's no volume, there's no lift. I am going to curl my hair to get ready for the day. I'm actually going to get ready for the day, do my hair and makeup, and show y'all how I get lift. So it is really simple. You only need a couple of key products to create this look. So my personal favorite dry shampoo is by Beauties. Now, I'm almost out of this. Like, it's almost empty. I really like Beauties products. They just work well with my hair. And for hair, just for your reference, I wouldn't say I have like a super oily scalp, but after like one day, I need dry shampoo or shower, either or. I can't go a day without dry shampoo. So you can be the judge of how your hair may or may not compare to mine. But dry shampoo, if you've never heard of dry shampoo, it's basically like a powder, a wet powder that you spray on the scalp of your head, and it soaks in the oils, giving a more like fluffy, fresh hairdo look. Typically they smell nice as well because you can make dry shampoo make your hair last for 4 to 5 days, which means you're not washing your hair from 4 to 5 days. So doesn't mean your head's gonna like stink, but you know, you might need a little scent to spruce up that smell. So most dry shampoos do have a pretty little scent to them, and they work really well. So like I said, this is my favorite go-to dry shampoo. There are a couple others that I like to always have that work just as well. If I were to run out of this and I need to grab another one, I have a couple others that I love. I also love Garnier Fructis's Invisible Dry Shampoo. So this does not have the powdery essence that this does. Like this, you will see white when you spray your head. So if you have brunette hair, all you have to do is literally go like this to get rid of it, but it does have a residue film on it. This does not. So if you have like jet black hair and the powder type of dry shampoo will not work for your hair, this would be a great option. And then the Raw Sugar Pro Remedy, which I shared, I'm pretty sure in a recent video. I also did a full review on the whole Raw Sugar Pro Remedy line recently. This dry shampoo is fantastic. I actually like to use this on the bottom of my hair and the mid section to give it lift. Also to kind of dry out my hair, give it like an extra feeling of texture. So it really holds any style I give it. And lastly, I really love the Foxy Bay Dirty Gal dry shampoo as well. This also has a very minimal white residue. This is honestly the heaviest white residue, but it just seems to work best with my hair, so I tend to gravitate towards this. But the Foxy Bay dry shampoo is fantastic as well. You can also use my code FoxyAngelica for 60% off of this. So any of these dry shampoos will work. Oh, also another one I would recommend would be the Tresemme volumizing dry shampoo. It smells amazing, works really well. So like I said, lots of good options. I will link them all below if you are interested in checking any of these out further. So I am about to get ready in a couple of minutes, put my base on, curl my head, actually style my hair. This is my natural hair. I took a shower yesterday before I went to bed, so it's naturally really straight. So I'm actually gonna curl it, but I did sleep a night in it. So obviously there's some not fresh oils up here that I wanna take care of. So I am going to put the dry shampoo on my hair before I style it. So basically it can sit on my scalp, soak up all the oils while I do my makeup, and then by the time I go to curl my hair or do whatever I want with my hair, it's fresh, it's clean, it's bouncy, it smells good, there's no oils. It's like I took a shower 10 minutes ago. So if you are ready to learn how to apply dry shampoo, how to fluff your hair after days of not washing it, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below to keep up with my future videos. Now let's go. Alright guys, so I'm not ready yet. Clearly I just said we need to put the dry shampoo on my scalp before I do my hair and makeup so it can sit and soak in all those oils from my scalp. So I'm gonna take my Beauties. I really hope I have enough in here to make it through this video. And again, if you do have dark hair, have no fear if you see that white residue. It's all about just working it in your hair. I'm hoping I can get white residue on my head today, actually, just so I can show y'all how to get rid of it. So I always start obviously with my middle part, whatever your main part is, whether it's middle or side, or if you don't have a part, then it doesn't matter. But this would be the spot that people see most, obviously, at least on me. So I'm gonna start with my middle part and just spray it directly on the part. All right, who else sees that? This is what granny jelly will look like. BT dubs, my nickname is Jelly. I don't usually call myself that on here, so y'all might be like, who's Jelly? That's me. All my friends call me that. But this is what it's gonna look like. So all you're gonna do is literally just rub it and work it into your hair. And it will go away, I promise. There, you can't even see it, already worked into the scalp. And now that dry shampoo is gonna continue to sit there and just soak up oils. It continues to work for you for like a couple of hours. So next thing I'm gonna do, which I wish I had a more oily scalp right now to really show y'all the difference, but if you have like really, really almost like wet looking hair, this stuff still works. Like, it is magic. So next thing I'm gonna do is just put my finger about 2 inches over and part my hair, get another section of my head like that. Spray a little bit. It's gonna be a little bit white. Just work it in. And by work it in, I mean like basically give yourself a little scalp massage. And there we go. And then 2 inches down. Part your hair like that. Enough. Work it in. And just keep going down. So this is the last like part I like to go down, like right behind my ear. And I'll just flip it back and we will do the same thing on this side. Just go in little 2-inch increments and spray the dry shampoo. Alrighty, so that is all I do to at least start the oil soaking up process while I do my hair and makeup to style it. My hair smells fantastic now. The oils are being soaked up as we speak. So I'm gonna go get ready. I will be right back, and then I'm just gonna show you how I finish it so that it looks voluminous, how it looks fresh, and use some of my other dry shampoos as well, just to show how big of a difference they make with the bottom and like the mid area, because you can use dry shampoo for a lot of different things. It's a great styling tool. It gives your hair a good grip and it makes sure that no oils are going to ruin that style. So in my next side, I will be ready to go for the day. Alrighty guys, so as y'all can tell, the face is on. My hair is curled, but I have not brushed it out. It's super like PC, it's not styled. Wanted to do that on camera with y'all just because once I start spraying my stuff and tasseling it around, like I'll be done in 2 seconds. So I wanted to show y'all how I finish up with my dry shampoo after I have curled it. So the first thing I'm actually gonna do is just get a texture spray. I love the texturizing spray by Chi, and just spray this everywhere. Just on like the bottom part of your hair, and I like to do that before I actually brush and loosen these curls up so that they just have that like original position that they like remember to go back to. Basically whatever position your hair is in when it dries is what it's gonna hold longest and like kind of revert back to. So if you want your curls to last longer, let the heat cool down from your head in like the locked curl position, and then brush it out, and then it will last longer. If you brush it out like the second you're done curling, your curls are definitely gonna have a shorter lifespan. So now I'm just gonna flip my head upside down, tassel it around, and then we will finish up and I will show you how I finish styling my hair with my dry shampoos. All right, so the hair is all brushed out and fluffed. I did a really minimal, like natural looking curl. It just looks like it has more volume than it does like curly curls. So next thing I'm gonna do is get my Pro Remedy dry shampoo. This is the dry shampoo I told y'all I love to use on the bottom and mid section of my hair because it adds like a grit and a like dryness to it. So it really holds any style of hair for a long time. So I just spray it all over the bottom and side of my hair. Oh, smells so good too. I cannot even stress that enough. And then lastly, I'm gonna go in with my Garnier Fructis Invisible Dry Shampoo. This is that one I told y'all if you have jet black hair or even brown hair like myself, if you put it on the part or anywhere that's really visible, this doesn't have the white powder, so it is a great option for that. And this I do kind of spray closer to my scalp and underneath my hair because this also works a little bit as a volumizer. And that is it. This is, oh my God, my room smells insanely like fruity amazing right now. But my hair is super fresh now. It is not going to move. I know this looks like a very loose curl that I have right now, because it is, but it's going to last all day. It's not gonna turn into straight hair, which it easily could if I didn't have the right products. So all of these dry shampoos are fantastic. By all means, you don't need to use all of them. I mean, they all do wonderful things. They all do a little bit different things, which I like. But in my opinion, the most important one would be this one because it really soaks in the oils. It can turn your hair from like nasty, greasy, flat, gross to like, I woke up looking like I just took a shower. And that is the most important thing. All of the other sprays give good volume, give good texture, have it smell good, hold a style. But this one legit, like without this one, I don't think any of the other ones would do their job as well. Just to be totally transparent. So I will link all of them below. You can check them out. They're all great. But I hope this was helpful if you are interested on learning how to apply dry shampoo and how to get rid of oils on your scalp and on your head. I appreciate dry shampoos most because they save me so much time and I don't like to take that long to get ready. So thank you, dry shampoos, for saving me time, and I would definitely recommend them if you are a busy working lady and you don't have time to like do a full blowout shower every single day. That's also not good for your hair. So definitely check out a dry shampoo, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I will get back to you. Also, normally I don't do videos this short about one little specific beauty trick because they are so short. There's not that much information to share. So go follow me on Instagram. I will put my handle somewhere on the page, and I share little tips and tricks and tutorials all the time on my stories that don't always make it onto YouTube. So make sure to hit that follow button on IG and come say hi. I love getting to know you. But other than that, have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye.